High-quality hair fibers are designed to mimic the texture and color of natural hair, ensuring a seamless and natural-looking result. Hi everyone!
Hi!
We want to show you this wonderful product. Put your head down. He used it for this part of his hair because he don't have it here. So I'm gonna help you to do this. He always do it by herself, but in this video he wants my help. Look how amazing and how easy it is to do this. They are effective in concealing areas with thinning hair or bald spot, providing a temporary solution for a more uniform look. In just 1 minute, we got this result. Hair fibers adhere to existing hair, creating an appearance of increased volume and thickness, making hair look fuller. This product, I use it for me too because I have a bowl here. So you can use it with this spray, but also you can use it with this applicator. So I put it here. It's magical. We really love it. We use it every day at home.
I love this product, 100% recommend.